While we are singing the Mañanita, those who have flowers, please pin it to the birthday celebrants. Okay?
Dori, kakanta na tayo. Bigay mo doon sa bigay mo nga doon. Beautiful is the day as we come and sing to you with God's early morning blessing. With praise your we sing to you on the day that you were born. The flowers came to blow, and at the baptismal font, all the saints brought forth their song. The dawn is now appearing, the rays of the sun break through. Arise early this bright morning as we sing hello to you. How I wish I were St. Peter, how I wish I were St. John, as we bring this salutation in a very early dawn. From all the stars in heaven, how I wish I could get you too. Want to tell you good morning, and another to bid you adieu. With a bouquet of carnation, we have come to sing our song and make your day full of colors, so that you may carry on. The dawn is now appearing, the rays of the sun break through. Arise in this bright morning as we sing hello to you. Happy birthday! Thank you. Get the cake. Ay,